Are we expected to be in London by that time? When are we supposed to apply for the visas?
So in case the first 6 months is also shifted online, I don't see myself accepting the offers.
अगर बाई चांस कुछ ऐसा केस होता है कि कैंसिल हो जाए इस साल का इनटेक, तो मैं इंडिया में अप्लाई करूँगा.
Our admission procedure is at a halt. Our deadlines are being extended. Though SOAS has been constantly sending us mails about that they're considering measures about the prospective students who are going to come, and also they are opening an option of online classes. But the confusion still remains about the online classes. Like, are we expected to be in London by that time? When are we supposed to apply for the visas?
This academic session they are planning to actually continue with online classes, so there's no update regarding the next academic session. So one of the options they have considered is changing the academic calendar right now, like probably starting the sessions from next January instead of September this year. That's the only option they have actually discussed right now, or else they might actually shift to online classes, but then it actually destroys the my whole plan of getting exposed to foreign education and studies.
मैंने इस साल फरवरी में रॉयल होलोवे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन में अप्लाई करा था मास्टर ऑफ साइंस इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कोर्स में. उनकी तरफ से मुझे मेल भी आ चुका है मार्च एंड में कि एक्सेप्टेंस लेटर का, और मैंने वो ऑफ़र एक्सेप्ट भी कर लिया है. ये कोर्स सितंबर एंड के आसपास शुरू होता है. इसकी एग्जैक्ट डेट है 21 सितंबर, और उनकी तरफ से ऐसा कोई मेल नहीं आया है अभी तक कि अगर ये ऑफ़र डेफर होगा या फिर 1-2 महीने पोस्टपोन हो सकता है कोर्स. ऐसा कोई मेल नहीं आया है.
Universities have been sending regular emails regarding the current situation, but they're focusing more on the problems that people who are still applying are facing rather than people who already have offers. So they're focusing more on that. But yes, I did write to a couple of universities asking them that if I do accept their offer and I do pay that fees that I'm supposed to pay at the time, would I get that fee back in case the admission is cancelled? And they said that yes, in case the course is shifted online, or if there's any other change, I would get that acceptance fee back.
One of the primary reasons for deciding to invest in an education from a foreign university is the on-campus experience, the opportunity to have a conversation with your professor, to sit in class and have discussions, to interact with students from other countries who have come from different legal systems around the world, and the effect that the same will have on me and my personality and how I ideate. In the event that the platform is shifted to an online one, I will be left with no other option but to consider requesting a deferment for next year.
और अगर बाई चांस कुछ ऐसा केस होता है कि कैंसिल हो जाए इस साल का इनटेक, तो मैं इंडिया में अप्लाई करूँगा. मैंने इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए एग्ज़ाम दिया था गेट का फरवरी 8 को, और उसके रिज़ल्ट के हिसाब से मैं मई में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ NITs में. पर ऐसा हो सकता है कि बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में जो फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स नहीं जा पा रहे हैं वो अप्लाई करें और सीट्स की दिक्कत हो.
Those students who were placed in my college, they have actually lost their job right now because of this situation. They said that they are not allowed, they don't want to take any more employees in their company. So I don't think a person like me who didn't even hold an offer with a company before would be easy for me to get a job, especially with the economic slowdown.
I have not applied to any universities in India, so in case I do not decide to attend, or I cannot attend any of the universities that I have applied to, I would have to start looking for a job. In fact, I have already been looking for short-term opportunities, but to no avail. I was working as a sports reporter before this, And since all the sporting events are cancelled, there are not really any opportunities in that field right now.
Even if we get admission, what are the chances of me getting a job after a post-graduation due to this economic recession?